What? You think I just drew it? I didn't read it? Huh? Is that what you thought? Wrong. Today we're going to be going over the difference between this and this. And let me tell you, there's no difference. So a lot of you guys know that Satama in here can punch somebody out into oblivion, right? This guy over here, his name is Kiji. He does the same thing, but with a cock-a-doodle-doo, which by the way is hilarious. So pretty much the basis of this story is there is a rooster that's walking around town. He likes to get laid a lot, you know, who doesn't? And he fights off demons, okay? Over here, you got bald head guy, right? Fights off demons, same thing. Throw this out the window. That's great. This is hilarious, okay? I can't recommend it enough. This is this guy's first book, this author right here. I can't really pronounce his name. It's like Shu something. It kind of has like a Chainsaw Man vibe. And I mean, just look at that art style right there. Homeboy's riding a turtle. Can you do that? No, you cannot. And look at this stance right here. He's about to murder somebody, dog. Look, I don't want to spoil too much, but this is pretty much what sums it up. A demon kills his sister. He goes around. He's looking for revenge. A little chick starts following him around, trying to be like an apprentice, pretty much, right? He meets up with some hen that he banged, named Elizabeth. They go out, just whooping ass, okay?
Before I whoop some ass, give me a hell yeah if you're down with Stone Toad E.T.
He's always finding himself in weird positions, like he got caught up in a zoo. An old man tries to save him. His all-time favorite thing is uni, which is disgusting. That shit I won't even touch with a 10-foot pole, but this chicken loves it. And my daughter stole my glasses. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of editing with my Tourette's here. You know, I've read a lot of manga in my day, and I could honestly say that every new manga that comes out that I find funny, I'm gonna try to do a little review on it. This is my first time trying to do a review. I usually just draw the stuff, you know, but I'm trying to change it up a little bit. For some weird reason, when I get in front of a camera, it's hard for me to talk, and I don't know why, but I'm really trying. Right now, there's only 2 volumes of it out, in America at least. I'm hoping for the 3rd one to come out soon, and if it is out, I'm gonna go pick it up, and I'm gonna continue on this journey of kicking it with this rooster right here. This is me just testing the waters today on something new. If you liked it, like it. If not, then just let me know. Give it a thumbs down, because this is what I got. I'm just trying to learn my skills. Cool note, I did get a cool little setup going on today, so that's what I got going. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.